1-pan lemon garlic chicken. This recipe is a favorite for its ease and minimal cleanup. Chicken and vegetables are roasted together, creating a flavorful and healthy meal. Ingredients: 1.5 lbs boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts, 3 cups chopped vegetables, such as broccoli florets, chopped bell peppers, and red onion, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2-3 cloves garlic, minced juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and black pepper to taste optional. Fresh parsley for garnish. Preheat your oven to 400° F, 200° C. In a large bowl, combine the chicken and chopped vegetables. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, minced garlic, lemon juice, oregano, salt, and pepper. Pour the olive oil mixture over the chicken and vegetables. Toss everything to ensure it's evenly coated. Spread the mixture in a single layer on a large rimmed baking sheet. Bake for 20-25 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Garnish with fresh parsley before serving.